welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 돼지불고기, bulgogi, which is pork bulgogi. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Jen Edmondson who requested this episode. This one is for you. To get started, we need 450 grams of thinly sliced pork shoulder. Use paper towels to wipe all the blood and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Dwaeji means pork, bulgogi means barbecue, so 돼지 bulgogi means pork barbecue. Put it into a big bowl. Next, we need a small piece of ginger. Crush them and dice them well. Bul means fire and gogi means meat, so bulgogi means fire meat or barbecue. Put it into the bowl, and we need 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, and 1 clove of minced garlic. If you go to Korean market, you can easily find pre-marinated bulgogi beef and pork. It's very popular meal in Korea. Lately, bulgogi has been developing a lot, and nowadays, you can even find the bulgogi duck and fish. But beef is still the most popular. If you want to learn how to make authentic beef bulgogi, you can learn how here. Mix it well, and cover it with the plastic wrap. And put it into the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, we need a handful of chives. Cut it into 4 cm wide slices and put to the side. We need 2 hot peppers. Cut the edges and slice thinly. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part. Put to the side. Next, we need 4 cloves of garlic. Cut the edges and slice as thinly as possible and put to the side. There are many different bulgogi styles. There's soup bulgogi, no marinade bulgogi, barbecue bulgogi, and bulgogi over rice. We need a half an onion. Slice thinly and put it into the water. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part or soak it longer. Make sure to soak your onion in the water for 5 minutes to neutralize its spiciness. Drain the water and put to the side. Get a big pot and turn the heat to medium-high. Pour some vegetable oil and all the pork that we prepared earlier. Throw in all the garlic slices. In Korea, bulgogi is a very popular ingredient for fusion food. If you go to McDonald's, you can get a bulgogi burger. While we are cooking bulgogi, let's talk about the Kwon's Corner fact. Usually, people I talk to have only heard of beef bulgogi, but since I'm a pork fan, I like pork bulgogi more. There are 2 different kinds of pork bulgogi, soy sauce based and gochujang, red pepper based. Today, I'm doing the first one. This soy sauce bulgogi is very well known in Daegu, the city I was born in. It's cheap and very delicious. Pork bulgogi became popular as a cheap alternative to beef bulgogi. Cook it until you don't see the sauce at the bottom. Once you don't see any of the sauce, get a big plate. Throw in some chives and onion slices that we prepared earlier. Put your bulgogi on top of the veggies. Now it's fire time. You can skip this part, but using a blowtorch will give really unique flavor. This is Kwon's Corner tip. That's it. Our 돼지 bulgogi is all ready to eat. That's it. Before I start it, I forgot to put hot pepper on top, so I'm gonna put it now. If you don't like spicy food, you can leave this part off, but it tastes really good with it. It's so good. It's salty and sweet, and when you're eating with the onion and chives, it goes so well. The vegetable is so fresh, so it's not greasy at all. And I think eating eating pork bulgogi with the hot pepper with cherry on top. So you should definitely try it. It's so good. So see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!